Hi guys, welcome to Ask MBA. My name is Sneha and today in this video I'm going to talk about few of the GK questions which can be asked in exams such as CMAT examination जिसके अंदर direct 20 questions current affairs के regarding पूछे जाते हैं. We are trying to make many videos regarding GK content and other informative content regarding your CMAT exam. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the like button if you really like our videos, and if you're looking forward for any question in your mind regarding MBA preparations, you can always comment in the comment box below so that we can revert or make a video or any updates regarding MBA prep. We are at Vashi and also at Thane. So let's quickly go through few of the important questions or these questions with the knowledge of these kind of a content you guys should be having. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो यहाँ पे है बोर्ड पे, इट इज एट व्हाट रेट हैज आरबीआई मेंटेन द रेपो रेट फॉर द 7th टाइम इन अ रो. तो इस क्वेश्चन को गाइस आंसर करने के लिए यू गाइस शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट कि रेपो रेट जो है ये होता क्या है. नाउ गाइस, रेपो रेट इज समथिंग विच द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस गिव लोन्स टू at some kind of a rate of interest which the government lends money to commercial banks or industry. So that is called as a repo rate. So at what repo rate has Indian RBI maintained 7th time in the row? The answer for the same is 6.5%. That's the rate of interest. ठीक है, उसके बाद next question आता है, who was being honored as the 15th CIDC विश्वकर्मा अवार्ड in 2024 this current year. तो इस इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए या ये क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको इसका फुल फॉर्म या CIDC होता क्या है ये जानना काफी ज्यादा जरूरी है. ठीक है, सो CIDC इज योर कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट council. So make sure you guys have an idea about this. So who has been honored as the 15th CIDC Vishwakarma Award 2024 is your SJVN Limited. Options दिए हुए हैं, go through the options. Now next time if this questions come during the exam as you are listening to this video or even go through or watching us, so you'll have an idea कि अगर ये options है तो ये सारे ऑप्शंस है, सो आई कैन एलिमिनेट एंड गेट एन आइडिया कि ओके आई हर्ड दिस समवेयर, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी बिलियन यूरोस इज NATO preparing to fund and support Ukraine in its war with Russia? Now we all are aware about the Ukraine and Russia war which has been happening. So how many billion euros is NATO preparing for this fund? The answer for the same is 50 billions. No. 100 billions. nahi. 150 billions is the correct answer, not even 200 billion euros. This is as per the statistics. ठीक है, ये information is being given. Now the next question is, who has been recently appointed as the member of Economic Advisory Panel by the World Bank Groups? Now we all are aware about the World Bank Groups have appointed different members for different parts or regulations which need to be maintained. For the same, the answer again it's in GK, current affair. Start reading newspaper, going through headlines, listen to podcasts which gives such information. The answer for the same is Rajiv Sinha. ठीक है, let's go quickly to the next question. Who won the title of CCI Snooker Classic? Again this a current affairs sports section questions. हर साल CMAT के एग्जाम में स्पोर्ट्स के रिलेटेड या IPL एंड योर the other championships of keep on occurring, इसके regarding active questions पूछे जाएंगे. So make sure you guys are aware कि in tennis how many players are there, what are the rules, or in cricket how many members are there, in football how many members are there, archery के कितने सारे forms रहते हैं. So all these certain basic information you guys should be aware of. If you want me to make such videos, make sure you're commenting in the comment box below so that we can come up with more such content. ठीक है, so the answer for the same is your Pankaj Advani. Now the next question is, when is the National Maritime Day celebrated every year? Now this is related to your marine life. Okay, marine life ke regarding which day is being symbolized for that. I want you guys to comment in the comment box below. This is the one of the question which can be asked in your exam. So make sure you're commenting and the answers would be displayed soon. I hope you guys like this video. If you have, do like it, and let's wait for the next upcoming video regarding GK prep. Thank you.